Alright, so welcome to the final lecture in this section. Now the next section is going to be a subsidiary of this news class. Okay, so what we need to do right now is just to add the link to add a post, and that link is only going to display once the user that is logged in is an administrator. Okay, so I'm going to head back and close some pages that I do not need. All these stuffs out, close them out, close, and where we have in the administration folder, so the sidebar, I'm gonna copy the same function that was here, so just copy this, copy and paste it. Okay, so this is gonna be add news, and the link is add news, add post. Okay, add post the PHP, and this is gonna be globe. Okay, I'll just go with globe. You see how it looks like. So I'm gonna refresh, and we should have that. Okay, so we have add news and we have this globe. So if I if I click on it, it should take me to add a news. So let's write a news. Let's just post a new news. Okay. All right, so let's just say let's say I'll just say Donald Trump is set to make peace talks with North Korea. Okay, all right, so we have the lorem ipsum. I'm just gonna get that lorem. So if you're great at typing, you know how to type news, you can do that. But I don't have time for that. All right, so I'm gonna paste this, and in the why is it giving me this, all this? Okay, so this is gonna be politics status. Is gonna be a breaking news, and we just say peace underscore talks, and we have Donald Trump, and we're gonna have North Korea. Who's the president of North Korea? I don't know. I think is it anyway. I'll just continue. I think it's Xi Jinping or something like that. I don't know. I'll just say politics. Okay, not politics, but politics. Okay, so I'm gonna add an image, because this won't get submitted without an image. So let's choose an image that has something to do with politics. No, nothing like politics at all. No. Nope. 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 No. Let's just go with this. At least these people look like those that are going to make pay stocks. Alright, I'm going to click on open, and that should open the image. The image is not clear, so I'm going to choose another image. So let me just go with this one. Okay, so I'll manage this, and this image should be clear. Okay, so add news, and we should get the alert news added. So if we head back to the database and click on browse, we should have our news. Okay, so what just happened? Click on browse again. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so Donald Trump is set to make peace talks with North Korea, and we have the category politics, category ID, and we can see everything is working. Okay, Okay, so it's showing in ascending order right here. Okay, so we have breaking news. All right, so I'll see you in the next section. Okay.